Good day, everybody. Today we are going to talk about stock price, standard deviation, and volatility in 2 months. So here are the data. Stock prices for a particular stock for May and June are given or are shown. Okay. So May and June. Find the mean, median, population, standard deviation for May and June, in which month the stock prices are more volatile, higher standard deviation. So we will go here and we will go down and we will first calculate the mean average of the stock price in each month. So that will be equal to average and I will highlight from A2 through A23 and hit enter. B2 through B23 and hit enter. Okay. Should be average B2 through B23 and hit enter. So the average price for, if I round it to two numbers, so let me fix the decimal to two places. So actually, let's fix all of these to two places of decimal. So number, we go to number and two places of decimal and say, okay. So the mean price for the month of May is 34.548. And similarly, I will calculate the mean for June, and that is average. And I will highlight from and hit enter. And it's 34.05. So mean price for May is slightly higher than mean price for June. Then I'll calculate the median price. Median. So equal to median. So, and I will highlight up to A2 and hit enter. Median is 34.67. It's close to the mean. Okay. And let's calculate the median for June, equal to median. Double click on that and then highlight from C21 through C2 and hit enter. So it is again here the mean price is almost equal to the median, same in May, month of May. So seems like the stock prices are approximately symmetric. Now let's calculate the population standard deviation. So I'll write POP for population, and then I will write for standard and DEV. Okay, population standard deviation. I'll calculate for both months. So equal to standard deviation, STD, and I'm doing it for the population. So standard deviation, STDEV dot P, and then I'll highlight up to 2. And population standard deviation for the month of May is 0.79. I'll repeat that same calculation here for month of June, equal to equal to standard deviation dot P from C21 through C2 and hit enter. Slow. The population standard deviation in the month of June is 0.81. Population standard deviation in the month of May is 0.79. So stock prices slightly more volatile, slightly more volatile in June. So the important point to note here that to calculate the population standard deviation, we will use the function equal to standard deviation dot p. P here stands for population. Okay. So I will make this a little bit wider, column A, so we know we are calculating the population standard deviation. So I found the mean and the median for May and June, and I found they're pretty close. So stock prices in both May and June are approximately symmetric, and population standard deviation for the month of June is slightly higher, so slightly more volatile in the month of June. So I will stop here today. If you have any question or comment, write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If you like this video, please share with your friends. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channels by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. See you next time. I'll come back next time with another important problem, important solution. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day.